Hey guys, we have a load for $7,600, and yeah, I'm ready to take it. We got the Scania, we're debt free. Think we're good to go. But before we go, I want to look at something. We've done 1,200 kilometers, 360 horsepower. In Europe, is that good or bad? I mean, I don't think it's the best because we're starting with low end stuff and eventually going up to higher quality. No, I mean, this is an international product, so it only makes sense to be close to one of these, but no, exactly true. Scanias aren't all dumpsters. Like, actually, Scanias good trucks. I know they're an international product, which means I hate on them. I don't know, I'm kind of torn between Volvos and these. Ooh, going up to going up. Hold up my window. Let's see here. This should be pretty straightforward. Cool, we're going there today. Debt free, which is great. That makes all of the difference. Make sure that we have. Yep. We're good to go. Bro, this thing has rear steering, so it's great. Looking forward to that. It's 5 a.m. So yeah. I love this. Alright. It's got rear steering assist. My goal is to save up for a trailer, maybe. Well, not save up for one necessarily, I can take money out. My goal is to level up for a trailer eventually. Or get some driving. And I was going to do that, but I changed my mind because there's no Scanias for cheaper. That's literally my only reason, is there's no good trucks. I was saying the other brands aren't good, but I want to have Scanias in my fleet. I gotta remove these broken bands, I just keep forgetting. Because once I finish the video, I leave the game and go edit it. And then when I get on, it's like 5 days later and I don't forget 4 or 5. I don't think about it. So, apologies for that. Hazy one. filled up once. That's insane. I mean, truly is insane. Traffic. Why would you? Are you serious? Why would you just get over for a second just to slam on your brakes? Hit me very close. Hit me over here, man. swear to God, this is supposed to. Is this the Audubon? Is this the Audubon? No, I don't think it is. I know we're in Germany, but well, let's get 120. Which was the Audubon? They're flying past us though. Like absolute rockets. You know what's crazy back then? This is the highest truck that you could get probably spent. That's insane. Here. Fast lane. America, this slow lane, that's the fast lane. So I see what's the same on here. I don't know, it should be totally opposite. Which part I'm going to turn on that. No, it's not mandatory. I think in Netherlands it is 24/7. I'm not sure. It was raining, so I'm not sure. You know, I'm saying he's wrong. But look, as an American, I'm trying to learn a little bit about trucking. That ain't supposed to be there. Hold on, Mustang? You a long way from America. I ain't complaining. Mustangs are cool. Respect. I'm orange. What do you guys call? Yeah, that's over. There's a ball right next to us. I'm trying to learn a little about the trucks. So you know what? I'm just That's the Costa Concordia. I thought that ship sunk. The Big C. In like 2012, didn't they like try to pass by an island and strike it? No, I'm not tripping out. That's the Costa Concordia. I don't know. I swear to God, that's the ship. I don't think they recovered that. I think they scrapped it. Because they hit a rocket and it fell over on the side of the building. It was sad. I'm sorry, I can't remember where it was. Like tipped over. Floating and tipped over. Maybe that's like a sister ship or something. sells cars in different countries. They sell Mustangs all over the world. I thought that was just like an American thing because it's American muscle. It doesn't matter because Mustangs are great and I understand why people want them. I'm just glad they're not electric Dodges. Because I do not love the EV Dodge Chargers. I hate them. They are the dumbest things on planet Earth. I like Mustangs and I like Dodges too. And Corvettes. I like Dodge vehicles, but there's just a slight difference. See, the Dodge vehicles I like, see, they have this little thing, I don't know, called an actual engine, called a Hemi. None of this Hurricane crap, called a Hemi. This is a random, Hemi engine. So, yeah. Maybe we'll go, no, it won't let us go on that bridge, let's say. Here's a fly. I don't know. I like American sports cars. I don't know much about BMWs. So I don't want to say anything about BMWs because I don't want to talk crap about people that own them because I don't know anything about BMWs. I watch a lot of, like, Whistling Diesel and all that. Now, the video's out for a few days when you hear about this from me. He finished off his Cybertruck durability test. And at the end, well, he took it off-roading first of all, and his piece fell off, something about the trailer ECU thing. Couldn't get the car to shift into gear. Tesla refused to work on it because the battery had more than a 1-inch deep dent in it. So they replaced the batteries themselves. Someone found the part they were looking for, knew they were looking for it, took it, posted on eBay for $1,000. Said they saw Whistling Diesel, looking for it in the description. Anyway. Yeah. So anyway, they send this thing down a freaking drag strip, I think. Yeah, drag strip. They send the Cybertruck going 111 into the freaking Ford, and it goes boom! There's a big explosion. Look, I know the Ford's made out of an aluminum, the cans, but like, I'm still a Ford dude. I still like F-150s. Super Duties, they look good. I mean, 6-7 power stroke. I'm not even trying to make a 6-7 joke, like 6-7 power strokes. Great, okay, I guess we're not starting. We're going to, yeah. I like the power strokes. I didn't use Fords. The early 2000s were rough. 90s were alright. Late 90s were rough for Ford. This looks just like the facility we picked up from a different company though. Okay, this is, I'm not lying to y'all, this is the same exact spot we picked the trailer up from. I think it would be easier because that trailer's sticking out right there. This, what is that, a flatbed? Yeah. If I come up from this way, which I don't usually do, but in these circumstances, because of the things that are supposed to assist us, I just took 9% damage. It's fine. It's my fault I wasn't paying attention. I hate coming this way. Like, I actually hate this trailer. I hate trailers that have steer axles. Like, look. I just don't like them. I don't like how they turn. Like, 100%. I know it's supposed to help the driver, you know, but I actually cannot do this. No, it's turning too much. I'm actually not. No, you can literally see it's trying to help, but it's not helping. Yeah, no, I can't do this. I would wreck the Scania. Even need to. But there we go. I'm sorry for that, and thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.